You know as well, there's a lot of challenges that we have in the island. The island needs more or less 10,000 extra people to work in the hotels. We need a lot of infrastructure. We have increasing prices on the island. Look at the supermarket, look at the prices there. Everything is increasing. And yeah, as what I already stated in January, the beginning of the year, the Chamber of Commerce is from the opinion that we have to open the border in phases, start first with goods and products. That's what we did. And now we think it's time for the next step. Open the border completely for Venezuela. You know, there's a lot of worries on the island about illegals coming here. I don't think the illegals will come by plane. I think the illegals will come by boat. In my opinion, we have to protect our borders. We have all the equipment there, so we have to protect this very little piece of ocean to make sure that there's 0 boats coming in. But at the airport, we need to have a visa in place, so we can place certain rules there, who we are going to accept at the border and who are not. We have a lot of illegals on the island. That's the number indeed that I heard as well. And in our opinion, my opinion, we have to legalize them. It's very important to do that so they can contribute to the tax on the island. It's a very high number of people that is not paying tax at the moment. And when they are legal, and it's the people that we need to work at the hotels and at the companies here in the island, when they're legal, they're contributing as well on the tax and all the other things that we have in the island.